In this video, we are going to learn simplification of rational expression, or we can say reduce into lowest term. So we have a question, you can see here, two questions written here. I will provide you more examples. So 9a square minus b square. So first of all, we have to convert this in the form of a square minus b square. In the place of 9, what is the square root of 9 is 3. So we can write here 3a whole square minus b whole square. Similarly, here we cannot convert in the form of a square b square because we cannot convert 6 in the form of whole square. So better we have to take common. Here is 6, here is 2. If common, first of all we have to take common, then either factorize or use formula. 2 and 6 common is 2. From a square and a common is a. B and b square common is b. So what is remaining here? 2 into which number it will be? 6. 2 3s are 6. From a square, a is common, so write on a. B, which is already common, minus is here, minus write on. 2 already common here, a also common. From b square, b is common, so remaining b. Hope you understand up to here. After this in the form of a square minus b square, so just write on the formula of a square minus b square. A plus b, a minus b. In the place of a, what is here? 3a. So we can write here 3a plus b. A plus b. In the place of b, b is here, and then a minus b. 3a minus b by 2ab 3a minus b. This and this we can cancel. So what is remaining here? 3a plus b by 2ab. Hope you understand this question number A. Now look at the next number, question number B. We have a square plus 4a by a square plus a minus 12. First of all, in numerator what we have to do? We have to take common. So here a square and here is a, so common is a, and what is remaining here? A into which variable? It will be a square, so a only, a into a, it will be a square, plus a already common here, so what is remaining? 4. So we have to write down here 4. In denominator we don't have any common, so we can factorize this while multiplying 12 and while subtracting 1. 4 3s are 12 and 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So let's factorize this. A square plus, here we can write 4 minus 3, a minus 12. We have to find out that type of factor, that type of this two factor, that type of factor whose multiplication is 12 and subtraction is 1. So when you multiply we get 12, and when you subtract we get 1, and the factors are 4 and 3. Okay, a plus 4. From now let's open the bracket. 4 into a, 4a plus minus 3 into a, 3a minus 12. After this a plus 4. From this two term we have to take common. Common is a, remaining a plus 4 minus, from here we have to take common 3, and I told you before also, when minus is common we have to change the sign. In the place of minus we have to write on plus, so here a, and in the place of minus we have to write on plus, and 3 into which number? It will be 12. 3 4s are 12. Why we have to write plus? Because when you open the bracket, minus plus, it will be minus only. So when you take minus common we have to change the sign. If minus we have to write plus, if plus we have to write on minus. A plus 4. Now here a plus 4, so we can take a plus 4 common, and what is remaining here? A, so write on a, minus 3 minus 3. So a plus 4 cancel, and the remaining is a by a minus 3. Hope you understand this question too. Now look at the next question, very interesting, and the question is a cube plus b cube by a square plus 2ab plus b square. Look at this question. Here a cube plus b cube, so we have to use formula of a cube plus b cube. What is the formula of a cube plus b cube? A plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Yes, and here denominator a square plus 2ab plus b square. So can we cancel here anything? We cannot cancel. Yes, we cannot cancel. Can we cancel here? No. But look at in denominator, what is there? A square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the formula of a plus b whole square. Do not forget it. So a square minus ab plus b square, and here denominator what we have to write? A plus b whole square. This is the formula of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Formula of a plus b whole square. A plus b and square cancel, and what is remaining here? A square minus ab plus b square by a plus b. So this one is the answer. Now look at next. You can see here x minus 2y by 4y square minus x square. So here we cannot take any common, so there is no common, so we can write same. And denominator we can convert in the form of whole square, a square minus b square. So we can write 2y whole square minus x whole square. Now write on same 2y. In denominator we can convert in the form of a square minus b square, and write on the formula of a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. So we can write 2y plus x, 2y minus x. But in numerator you can see there is x minus 2y, not 2y minus x, so we cannot cancel. So first of all we have to take common to make it same. When you take common, so what is we can write here? 2y minus x, minus into 2y, minus 2y, minus minus plus x, and denominator we have to write down same, 2y minus x. Now you can see these two are same, so we can cancel, and at the last we can write, if nothing remaining here, so we can write here 1 by 2y plus x, or x plus 2y, you can write anything. Now look at the next number, question number E. X minus 5 whole square by 25 minus x. Here number is front, here number is back, so when you interchange this one, we can interchange this one, whole square by 25 minus x square, because here we took minus common. When you take minus common, what happened? Minus, and here is a square. Because of this square, minus will remove and 5 will come front, x will go back. Now we have to write on same this one square, and convert this one in the form of formula a square minus b square. So in next step we can write 5 minus x whole square by, this is in the form of a square minus b square, so write on formula x plus 5, x minus 5, a plus b, a minus b. In the place of a here is 5, and in the place of b here is x, so we can write x plus 5 and x minus 5. Now square and this we can cancel, and what is remaining here? X minus 5 by x plus 5. Hope you understand this question too. Now look at the question number F. In numerator also we have to factorize, denominator also we have to factorize. While multiplying 21 and while subtracting 7, what are the factors? 7 3s are 21, and 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. So we can write x square minus 7 minus 3 x minus 21. Similarly here, first and last we have to multiply 3 into 3, 9. While multiplying 9, while adding 10. So 9 into 1, 9, and 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So we can write here 3x square plus, in the place of 10 we can write 9 plus 1 x plus 3. Now x square minus 7 into x, 7x minus minus plus 3x minus 21. Here 3x square plus 9 into x, 9x plus 1 into x, x plus 3. After this we have to take common from this two term, x common, remaining x minus 7 plus 3 common, remaining x minus 7. 3 into 7, 21. Here from this two term we have to take common, 3 and 9 common is 3, x square, x common is x. So what is remaining here? 3 already common, from x square x common, so remaining x plus 3. 3 3 9, okay, plus from here we don't have any common, so we can write 1 and write on x plus 3. Now x minus 7, x minus 7, so we can take x minus 7 common, remaining x plus 3, so x plus 3. Here x plus 3, x plus 3, so we can take x plus 3 common, and remaining here 3x plus 1, so we can write 3x plus 1. So here you can see x plus 3, x plus 3 we can cancel, and the remaining is x minus 7 by 3x plus 1. Hope you understand this question too.